We have just seen a huge monster with sharp horns and a long tail.
Was he as big as me?
Said the old frog.
Oh, yes, Father, much bigger.
Then the old frog puffed himself up.
Bigger than I am now?
Oh, yes, Father, even bigger.
So the old frog puffed himself bigger and bigger